What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, we're gonna actually go up here and see what's on the lot. I've been getting a lot of emails, people asking me to do another dealership video, So I'm gonna go up here, man, and see what's on the lot. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button and subscribe. I do videos like this, man, because people have bought several vehicles watching my dealership videos. And so that's why I do it, man. It's for the viewers, it's for y'all, man. And also, y'all already know I'm in the market for a vehicle, so I'm going up here to see what's happening. For what I understand, man, the used car market, the prices are starting to come down a little bit. They're saying mainly because the IRS is slow with the refunds, and people just not buying cars right now. But once the IRS start getting these refunds out there, then the prices probably come back up. But as of right now, they're saying that the prices are a little cheaper now, but I don't know. So we're gonna go up into the lot and see what's going on, man. See if anything is on the lot. Every dealership I ride by, I haven't gotten any emails about any new inventory, so that's why I haven't been really doing the dealership videos. But we're gonna go up here to this local Dodge dealership. Since I'm in the area, man, I might as well go up here and see what's happening. Get this video out there for y'all. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Y'all already know what it is, man, so let's go. Now, I do not know what's on the lot, guys, so we're gonna go up here and see what's happening. That's the used cars over there. We might have to go over there and see what's happening. They should be closed, so hopefully nobody's coming out here saying nothing, and security don't roll up on us. But as you can see, it's nothing out here in the front. I don't see nothing out there. So we're gonna go around back and see if they got anything back here. They need to clean up, man. Look like this window, weather look like the wind and blew these boxes and stuff all over the place. Dang. Look at all them pots over there. Last time I came through here, it was a bunch of Wagoneers. There go one right there. They keep them joints in stock. Let's see. Look like I see a Hellcat over there with a busted window. 300. I'm definitely looking at getting a 300, guys. That's somebody's cars being serviced. There's a lot of these cars right here are service cars being serviced. There go another 300. Usually, man, it be nothing but Hellcats and Scat Packs all through here, bro. I don't see nothing. We got a Scat right here. All these cars being worked on. I don't see nothing on this lot. There go another Charger right there. RT. So yeah, guys, still the same old story, man. No cars on the lot. A lot of cars you see on the lot now, the cars being worked on. Dang, they go a Hellcat with a busted window. Look at that. That's messed up, man. That's messed up. Now, they do have some cars over here on the used car lot. So we're gonna go over here, man, and see what's happening. Hopefully I don't get kicked off like last time. They look like V6s, though. All right, so we got an RT right here. The sliders on the hook, because I'm right here by the highway, guys. I wonder how much this is. This is a 22. Sticker is 41. No sunroof. Challenge, that's not bad. This is probably a V6. 22 V6, 34. It's not bad. If they don't have a markup on it, that's not bad. This yeah, it's a 3.6. You know, they look the same on the inside. Ain't nothing new about that. Another Hemi Challenger. It's probably a 22 as well. 41. So the sticker prices on these cars seem to be reasonable. It's the dealership that be marking them up. So if you're looking for a 22 Challenger RT, there you go. And they don't have sunroofs, but you're definitely getting the Hemi. It's not bad. And of course over here we got the Wagoneers. This is a grand Wagoneer. This Wagoneer right here been here for a minute. Last time I was at this lot, this same truck was here. Both of them. They nice though. It's the sticker on. You can't see the sticker. It's ripped. See if you can see it on this one. That's Jeep been here for a while too. Sticker it, dang, 102 for this joint. They taxing for these joints. It's nice though. I will say that the inside of it is nice. So yeah, guys, that's all they got over here, man. They got these 22 RTs, Challengers. MSRP on them not bad. It's the markup from the dealerships. But I'm gonna walk over here across the street. They got a couple cars over here. Look like another, I don't know if that's a Hemi, a RT or what. We're gonna walk over here and see what they got. Go across the street, like it ran over. So they got a bunch of cars over here, but I don't know. This the only, oh, this is a GT. I think this probably used. In case y'all looking for a GT. This the color my Scat was. Let's see. Yeah, they don't have no price on it. It's a 2018, it's definitely used. Yeah, that's it, man. I don't really see nothing else out here worth looking at. This a Benz right here. Yeah, these probably cars people done traded in. So, all right, guys, that's all they got out here, man. They got some Rams and stuff like that, but I know y'all probably not even looking for no Rams. But that's all I see, man. That's the only cars. Those only three new cars I saw on the lot. I went to the dealership main lot, and they ain't had nothing on their lot, so. I don't know, guys. So if you're looking for a 22 Challenger RT, they got them here. I'll leave a link to the dealership in the description, man, if you want to holler at them about those cars, man. But it looked like the MSRP is not bad. Dealership probably gonna mark them up. Probably got a markup on them. That's why I haven't been, doing the dealership videos. There's nothing to see. It's all the same cars. I mean, if you've seen a 2015 Challenger, you've seen a 2022. They're the same cars, man. That's why I haven't ran out and bought nothing, because that's nothing new. Same old, same old. And some people are okay with that. And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, they're still nice, but I don't know, guys. I'm thinking about the 300. I'm really thinking about getting me one of those and get a used one. Don't pay too much for it. I can mod it. It's still nice. You wouldn't know if I had a 22 or a 2013. They all look the same, especially the SRT8 ones. So I'm not gonna make this video super long. Like I said, it's just a quick walkthrough, see what's at the dealership around here. So if this is your first time on my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Hopefully, man, I can get to a car meet or something, man. I ain't really seen nothing going on, anything interesting. And then, guys, another thing, when I film car meets, they really don't get any views. So that's why I don't even waste my time filming. Sometimes I just go just to see the cars myself. As far as filming, the people ain't really watching those videos. So I'd rather just save my battery and my storage and not film it. Because what's the point of filming and stuff like that if people don't want to see it? You know what I'm saying? So again, hit the like button, subscribe. Hopefully you saw something you wanted. If not, it's okay. Leave your comments, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.